Everybody, let's have a big round of applause for this event of Maharashtra TPO Association.
Along with all of you, and you have gone through a lot of presentation, a lot of panel discussion. So I'll try to keep it as brief as possible, and we will talk only what Coffee.io has to offer. And before I start, first of all, let me thank MATPO Association, Sital Ramandle sir, Wilson Pinto sir, for giving us this opportunity to be present here. Let me also congratulate the team here, the MATPO Association, for organizing such an event, a wonderful event, and we look forward to such many more events in the future as well. About myself, I am Raj Agrawal. I am here presenting Coffee.io, engineer and MBA with over 10 years of industry experience, and I'll quickly walk you through the Coffee platform and what we have to offer and how we are trying to make a difference to the overall education industry. Right? So, Coffee is an AI-powered platform where we help the students who are aspiring to build a career in tech domain. Right? So there are three important aspects of the platform. First, how students can get discovered by a lot of dream recruiters through Coffee.io. Secondly, how they can improve their employability quotient by undergoing vocational training, or as we call the Coffee boot camps, which will help them to be ready for the kind of job roles which industry are offering, and those are changing every year or year after that. We are seeing a lot of different job roles coming from the industry side. And third, but very important, to have a standardized skill assessment so that it can be used by a host of companies to use that assessment to evaluate the candidate and go forward with the job offers to the Coffee platform. So we talked to a lot of TPOs in Maharashtra. I know a lot of people might be knowing me, and I am sure that I know a lot of people sitting over here. And based the discussion that we had, we identified a lot of struggles, which is not only from the college side or the student side, but also from the company side. So we'll briefly cover what are the challenges which is there and how we are trying to overcome those challenges and give a holistic solution to the students and to the companies as well. Big companies generally they do not visit all campuses because of their own limitations. There is a long process by big companies which leads to a lot of delay and students rejecting some offer, not accepting the offer, which leads to a lot of challenges to the colleges as well. Lower number of developer jobs, because there are a lot of service related jobs which are being offered, but the core developer jobs offer, if you look at as a percentage of total job offers, they generally are on the lower side for most of the colleges. There are a lot of options, but if you look at a comprehensive solution, you may find assessment on one platform, you may find placement opportunity on one, you may find training on one. But what at Coffee we are doing, we are trying to put everything together so that there is a comprehensive solution for the student, and he knows that there is one platform where he can go and take benefit of the platform and fulfill his aspirations that he or she has. Right? Again, there are a lot of platforms which are there, but they all come with a lot of cost to the students. Already they are burdened with their tuition fee and all the costs that they bear. And apart from that, if they have to upskill themselves, they again have to pay some amount to undertake any particular skill set. So that again adds to a further financial burden to students and their parents. And last but not the least, the technology environment is changing so fast that the skill that you acquire right now may be outdated in a year or two. So constantly upskilling and reskilling is something which is the norm and which is the requirement of the industry, and that is where I think there is a lot of effort which is going on to constantly reskill and upskill the students. From the company side, this is one side where we are very much aware, but if you look at the company side, what are the challenges? And I'll not say only challenges, there are also biases in the system when it comes to hiring, right? There are a lot of bias in companies' mind when they come to hiring. It may be related to the ranking of the college, the location of the college, it may be overall perception of the quality of the college, which leads to some decision making which may not be true regarding the potential of a certain student who is studying in a particular college, right? So that also leads to a lot of bias, and that is what we are trying to remove from the platform, that how we can remove those bias from the overall hiring process which is there currently. Many companies they miss out on top talents from rest of the colleges because they don't visit, or they have the limitation to visit those colleges. The process time is longer. There is a lack of integrated platform where because company has to shift through a lot of resumes, and they don't have a ready solution where they can say, okay, I don't have to shift through so many resumes, I can directly zero in on this candidate and go for the final hiring process. So these are the challenges which company faces. So although we are talking about the college side, the student side on this platform right now, but parallelly we are working with the companies to solve this problem and give them a solution that they can rely on and get the talent on their merits, and be save the cost, save the time, energy and effort which goes on in the overall hiring process. Right, so how coffee helps? We have a very simple methodology where student takes assessment, they score well, they get placed in the portfolio of companies that we have. We have a large number of hiring companies on Coffee platform. We have introduced industry-focused boot camps, coffee boot camps, which will be like live classes that will be instructor-led, which students can undertake to upskill themselves and be ready for the kind of job roles that the company have to offer. Right? And apart from that, we have some gamification and continuous engagement, which will be a part of the platform where students can interact with peer students and throw challenges and learn from them. So those kind of activities will also go on the platform. Right? As far as the process is concerned, it's a very simple process where students onboard himself or herself on the platform, take assessment, and get discovered by the tech companies or top companies that are there, and lands the job that he or she aspires for. Right? How does this benefit the college in overall scenario? It helps you in saving some cost which colleges generally spend on training related or employability related expenditure on students. It increases the share of developer jobs coming out of college, and in turn increases the average payout which is there for the students from that particular college. Better information management, because whatever happens on Coffee platform, the information real time gets shared in the placement office, so that you can keep a track of what is happening through the platform, and you can manage your internal campus placement activities as well at the same time. Right? And we, with the same process, the students who are in the second year or third year or even in fourth year in some colleges, as it may be required, that if they need to undergo internships, they can use the same platform to undergo the internships as well. Very important, this slide is very important because we have made a lot of effort. Some may say that we help you in getting your students placed, you take assessments, but after a lot of feedback, and as I mentioned in my initial talk, that Mr. Shital Lavandle sir and Mr. Wilson Pinto sir, we had a discussion with a lot of TPOs also, and we try to understand that what needs to be done differently, so that students, not only we are guaranteeing that okay, you come on the platform and take assessment and get discovered by a lot of companies, but also can we contribute in making them industry ready by curating some courses which they can undertake on our platform, and those courses which industry currently demands. So we have around 10 boot camps that we have planned. Out of those, 2 boot camps are going live in the month of August, which will be on data science, which will specifically cover the machine learning aspect of data science, and the front-end development from the software development domain. And what it will help students, that they will be, so these will be the outcome-based boot camps, which will help them in creating a front-end website for any company. So those students are skilled in developing any website, or those students are skilled in generating their machine learning models by themselves by the time they go out of the college. So that is where there is a conscious effort from our side to make sure that we are not only helping students in taking assessment and getting exposure to companies, but also making a contribution in upskilling and helping and assisting colleges in imparting such curated courses which can help them in becoming industry ready for the kind of job roles that industry are looking for, right? Here are some sample list of recruiters, and we are very proud when we say that we are a company that have a very strong hold in startup ecosystem. We actually mean it, because if you see the list of companies and you Google it, you will find most of these companies are the leaders in the respective domain that they operate into, be it Paytm or Cred or Gupshup or Park Plus. So if you have not heard of Park Plus, if you go and Google it, you will find Park Plus is in current scenario is the largest automotive company. It's a startup which is the largest automotive company when it comes to the number of subscribers it has on its platform. So these are the companies that are associated with us, and why we are very confident of giving the kind of exposure in the startup ecosystem to the students. There is one big reason behind it, because our platform is backed by investors who are known not only in India but they are known globally. So to give you a few names, founder and CEO of Cred, who is Mr. Kunal Shah. He is not only a client company for us, but he is an investor into the company. He is an early investor into the company. If you look at Paytm, you must be seeing on the slide, the ex-CEO of Paytm, who is Renu Satishi, is an investor into the company. So all these big names that you see, our company is backed by these big CEOs who have built multi-dollar companies in their personal capacity, and they are not only investor into our company, but they are investor into 40, 50, 60 such portfolio companies, and those are all, if not all, but majority of the companies are product-based companies who look for software engineers, who look for developers to build those products for the consumers, and that is where they bring all those portfolio companies to us, and that is where we are so confident that if we are able to upskill the student, or if the students are already good, they have that skill from the curriculum that they have been imparted, we are very much confident that those students will find right opportunity right from the college. They don't have to go into a service kind of a role and then look for an opportunity where they can show their skill set, show their talent. Right from the college, they can get into such roles, such companies, and have a very good career path, very high growing career path for them. Right? And one thing that I didn't mention, and it was intentionally not mentioned throughout the PPT, that whatever I talked about of the coffee platform, be it the assessment, be it the employment opportunity, be it the boot camps, all the features on Coffee platform, we have taken a very conscious decision and effort by the management that we have kept our entire platform free of cost for colleges and for students, so that there is no additional burden, and we build our business model to the bottom. So that I can guarantee you, and I know a lot of faces sitting over here, and I can promise you that what we are saying, we mean it in spirit, and we will deliver to what we are committing right now here on this platform. Right? And if you want to contact us, Neha was here. She's the co-founder and chief growth officer of the company, but she had to catch a flight, so she left. Myself, Raj Agarwal, you might be knowing already, and we have Anuj with us, who is the education lead, and he is the person who is responsible for curating all the kind of curriculums and courses and boot camps, everything. He is making an effort to generate for the students so that they can benefit the most from our platform. Right? Thank you so much for your patience, and I know you had a long day, but I think there is one more to go. After that, you can enjoy. Thank you so much.